That's a welcome dance. The next dance we're going to do now is the mosquito dance, showing the hunters they're going out, searching for mussels. They get bitten by mosquitoes. They break the branches off the tree to brush the mosquitoes away off their body. We call this one Nuka, mosquito dance. Nuka, Panama. The next dance we're going to do for you now is a warning dance. We just warn the other tribe off. We call this one Kuranda, warning dance. All right, the next dance we're going to do now is a silent snake. Showing the snake, he's going out, searching for his prey. Once he finds it, he kills it. We call this one here Pomagiri. Beware of the silent snake. do for you now is the cassowary dance. We call this one here Bundara, showing the cassowary going out in the rainforest looking for fruits and berries. Alright, the next dance we're going to do now is the shake a leg dance. The guy's going to come out. They're going to show you different style of dancing. You've got to watch this dance very carefully because we've got a big surprise for you. We call this one here, Warangara, the shake a leg dance.